Hello, my name is William. I'm the founder of an Amazon private label business, and I rate Jungle Scout 5 out of 5. I looked at a private course from someone who had succeeded in dropshipping, but the price was too steep, and some of the other services that I saw uh, didn't offer enough features for the price that they were asking for. When it's felt like I could have kind of done that work myself. I chose Jungle Scout because they really do offer the most and best features for the price that they all that they ask. Um, some of the key features is finding the product, being able to set different filters for the categories of products, as well as the price, competition, demand, units sold, rating, all those things are really in like one spot on the app where you can filter it through. And it may sound kind of complex, but they also have like a university and tons of tutorial videos to walk you through literally everything from integrating your Amazon account to finding your first product, tracking your product, finding the supplier, reaching out to the supplier, getting a quote, and they also give you templates for purchase orders, um, and all of that with the marketing and being able to integrate it with Amazon, and then create the listing, optimize the listing, do the marketing, all that within Jungle Scout. To me, was like, let's do it. So it's been great. Getting started with Jungle Scout was definitely a learning curve, as to be expected. Um, Before I signed up, I knew that there was going to be a pretty steep learning curve because with starting any new business, it requires a lot of learning about whatever industry you're stepping into, or just how to run a good business. And so I really took a lot of time to go through their tutorial videos, and the university that they have, to really get up to speed with the service while also using the service at the same time so I could interact and learn kind of by doing. And I think the best way to learn is, just do it and you fail. But I also don't want to be dumb and just like do things while there's resources to help me do it, as smart as I can. So, setting up and having that foundation is important. With their toolbox and their resources, you can do it. And they also offer a whole other course that the founder made, helping you use the platform. That was extremely helpful as well. For anyone who's looking to sign up with Jungle Scout, or maybe they're narrowing down their choices, and Jungle Scout is in you know, the select few that you're looking for starting your Amazon business. Um, I would highly encourage you to go through their literature on the website. They have a lot of information about just the platform in general, everything they offer, and they also offer a lot of resourceful information to help you actually get started even without the platform. Um, I know for me, I wanted to, be able to use the tools that they have and the training to use the tools. So for someone who really is going to move forward and use it, then I would say that as soon as you get signed up, immediately start to learn as much as you can. Watch their videos, read the articles, and engage and interact with the platforms. Start looking for products, track some products, and realize that finding a good product really is the most important thing. So, I would say be patient. Take your time, and don't be afraid to reach out to them because it seems like they're always there to help.